Good morning, guys. So today is our last day of vacation, so I am getting ready, packing and everything, but I'm still gonna enjoy the last day here, and I will bring you along once we leave. I will probably be doing shots of us leaving in the town again. I know you guys saw that already, but I'm probably gonna do that again just to add some content to this video, and I will see you shortly.
RenderForest.com.
And that's it, guys, the end of my vacation. As you can see, it's pretty dead already. Yesterday was still very packed, but today, Tuesday, dead. I mean, there's still people on the boardwalk rocking their bikes, but you can see this would have been packed yesterday. They even dropped down the price to $5 for parking. Bittersweet. It is time for checkout. Our hotel actually had two buildings, one across the street from each other, and the main office is across the street.
Reservation desk. Can I help you? Can I help you with something, sir? I'm sorry? No, I don't have an accounting department here. What can I help you with? Alright. Thank you.
30?
Yep.
No, só tô.
No.
Hello.
Hi, we're
Hi.
checking out.
We're checking out.
Alright, how was everything?
Well, everything was okay.
Everything's good.
Two little A.
Yeah, 2 little A, yes.
Okay. Yeah, keep us in mind for next time.
Yeah, absolutely.
Are you heading out right now? I will need parking a little later, but you can leave the car for now. Is okay? Are you going to breakfast or
But
something?
probably not. We're probably leaving.
We'll probably leave.
Yeah, because we're already all packed and we have a truck, so.
Yeah.
Camera. I don't see people with cameras so much anymore.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I would do a little vlogging and photography
Oh, okay,
on YouTube.
You have a
Yeah.
vlog?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Did you catch any good things?
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, they had the Irish playing on the boardwalk yesterday.
Yesterday.
With
Oh,
the
that was.
bagpipe?
Yeah.
That was so nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, they
nice.
marched down a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
Well,
was so nice.
They have a big weekend in September.
Oh, they
Irish
do?
Fall Festival in Anglesey, all the way down that end. Oh, it's a big thing. It's a lot of drinking, obviously. Irish weekend.
Irish,
Yeah.
But they have, crafts and vendors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good to
It's
know.
end of season.
Yeah.
September, yeah.
Yeah. It was very peaceful.
Yeah.
Was it okay?
It
Yeah.
was very peaceful.
We try. I mean, with a holiday weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We
well,
don't
yeah,
let
it was,
up people 20. We try not 25
Yeah.
and over.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You know,
it was
kinda
peaceful.
limits.
It was
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah.
It was
All right.
good.
Yeah.
We had a good time.
No one too nuts.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank
Alrighty.
you.
Thank you.
Yes, we will. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
And we're checking out. We're officially checked out. We're not gonna stick around just because it's a drive back home. And like I said, we're not gonna stick around because we have a truck. All our stuff is in the back of a pickup truck, so we just don't want to leave that around. We're probably just gonna hang out in town And that is it. So thanks for watching, but I will bring you on the drive along back home. So see you shortly. Bittersweet. We are officially leaving. That's one of the reasons we're not sticking around until later on, because we have the truck and all our stuff is in the back. Parkway down this area, it's only 2 lines. You see that?
I can see it.
Look, the AC expressway, what the guy was talking about.
Okay.
The sign just came up.
Oh, I saw it.
Yeah, 31. It said 31 minutes. He said it was traffic yesterday. I don't think we're gonna catch traffic. Just stopped at the service area to fill the tank, and it's pretty muggy today. See what happens. Just stopped at another rest stop, gonna have a quick lunch, and just finished our breakfast / lunch, and we're on our way back on the road. So see you on the next update. Arrived in town, a few minutes away from home, and I will give you an update after once I get home. I'm officially on my block,
Destination is on your left.
and I will talk to you shortly
Arrived.
once I'm inside the house. Guys, and this is where the adventure ends. Okay, I just arrived home, going to relax before duty calls. I gotta unpack, put clothes to wash, etc., etc. guys, I'm gonna do the best I can. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Okay, I'm gonna do the best I can. Alrighty, by the time you guys get to this end of this video, I hope the videos come out well. Okay, and I will give you any update once again later on throughout the videos. If I need to do, I'll update you guys with any information. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.